welcome back to another video. Today we are out and about in the community doing this nature walk around. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm E.
And I'm J.
And together we are E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work.
Oh, no, watch the video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch the video to the end. Scene?
See?
It's really nice. Wow. Oh, let me touch it. Yeah, thank you. So this is the tree, guys. Okay.
Hello?
That is the big tree.
Right.
You have to hold it down. So which way you go? Down there? Beautiful. Show them the colors. Did you bring your phone? I need shots. I wanna get a little bit. I wanna get a little bit in this.
I'll drink some.
This well.
This is like a fire side.
Show it so well.
Deep in it.
Drop in there. So you can't drop in there because they have safety thing in it. So this well is one of the three original wells of Stratham Spa water dating from 1659. Can you go back there and kind of get the whole of it in there? Please. So I want to be in it. Just wow. Oh wow. Woohoo. So we're gonna go down here. Take it down, papi.
Fishing name? You're not going to.
Yeah.
What is that? Or waterproof.
I know, but if it got in there, it will get down on it. You're supposed to put it over your hand. Put your hand so that it get it in. Okay? Look at the naked people in there. If you come here, so, and then you get the view up there, it's a good idea to have a style. See? Wow.
Bad parking.
It is so nice.
Come like a yard.
Yeah.
If you sit up where you like this, if you like, you don't want to go for no holiday.
Okay, so that's just out the end of there, so we can turn back.
That's the main road.
Yeah, like it's a main.
But we can't walk the boat.
We're not finishing like that one. Are you ready? You ready?
You know done video? You know video all up I come in already.
No, but we're not finished. We go and sit down out there. Who popularized the idea of color borders in the early 20th century. Whoever had the inspiration to plant part of the ground solely for white flowers must have been blessed with the simplicity of genius. The garden is unique and offers a charming prospect of the eye, the Westminster Gazette reported shortly after the opening of the Rookery. The uniqueness of the Waik Garden has attracted interest from visitors, including Queen Mary and the Princess Royal, who made a private visit here in 1936. To this day, it is the only Waik Garden in any London public parks. And in 2013, the condition of the Waik Garden has deteriorated due to limited resources, declining budget. The Friends of Stratham Common launched a fundraising campaign to redesign the Waik Garden and other areas of the Rookery. The campaign was successful, and a volunteer design group of local residents worked with garden designers to create new planting plans. The new designs were inspired by the garden horticultural heritage and include many old varieties and plants that were popular when the Waik Garden was first created. Alright guys, so you can see. So that's the Waik Garden with white flowers. These flowers are iconic white flowers, guys. Okay? Yeah. And this is the Waik Garden. So this is really beautiful Waik Garden with these beautiful white flowers. Okay. Look how beautiful this is. Huh? It's beautiful. As you can see, guys, this is the Waik Garden here. Really nice. So this is the Waik Garden. It finished now? It look like it finished. Oh, Junior, hold this for me 1 minute. Oh no, I did one time my shoes loose. Hold this for me, please. Here. Turn this on me. I'm going to tie my shoes with this.
Compass.
Really enjoy this walk today in this garden. Thank you. So now we're heading back. We finish and we're heading back. Okay. Burn them for your wood fire.
Come on, let's burn them because they don't know better and that.
Oh.
They compass and you will get back your own fertilizer and mulch.
Look how it look good there. So. Let me see how over here look. Wow, Junior, come and look at this style of the fence.
No, it's what?
Imagine what a public place like that. The turn down. This is water. Oh, I feel drinking it. What's wrong? How they do that? It's beautiful. Oh, I feel drinking it. What's wrong? How they do that? It's beautiful. So the fresh air, I tell you. You know we didn't go through the whole garden. Oh, I'm going to tell you. Because there was a nice part up there that I wanted to go, but we couldn't. We have to come back one next time. We can. Of course we can. Mm-hmm. Hmm? Yeah. I never know Judah never been up here before. Know this park.
It's just like this.
This is nice, isn't it? The color. It's very colorful.
Edge, internally, my head problem type.
So guys, that's the end of the documentary. And we are out. So the Rookery. Okay. So now we finish at the Rookery, guys, and we're gonna go back to the car. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work. When you watch the video, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Farm. Bye, guys. Bye. Out of the place. So, yeah. That's the Rookery. Okay, so that's another path again. This area is very nice. Beautiful. Drive slowly, Junior, if you do it. It's one of the white flowers. It's in the rookery. Oh, that house is nice. So we never go that way. Fountain Pond. Oh. Anyway.